In this video, we are going to see how we can check the password of your Roblox account on the Roblox mobile app. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just click on the bottom right hand corner where you'll see this more option. And from here, we head over to the settings. Once we click on the settings, on the top, there is an option of accounts info. Click on that. And under the account info, we can check the password here, but in this case, instead of password, I have added my pass keys. So you will get the manage password option right here. You click on that, but even if you click on that, you can change the password, but you cannot actually see all the passwords. So if you want to see the passwords on Android phone, what you do is just head over to the Chrome browser. So from here, we click on the three dots and we click on the settings. And here is the option of Google Password Manager. It will verify your profile if you want to see it. For example, I click on Roblox. I will just verify this. And from here, we can click on edit. And after that, you can see your username and in this case, or the password as well. But if you, let's say, click on passwords for whatever account you want to see the password, you can easily see it from here. What you can also do is you head over to the settings of the mobile application, click on settings and scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see this users and accounts. From here, the Google Password Manager will appear here. We click on that. We click on Google Password Manager from here and we can basically check the password of Roblox account. So we click on that, we verify it on our mobile phone, and we have two Roblox account added right here. But since we have added this as a pass key, even if we click on edit, we will not see the passwords in this case because that's a pass key. But that is how we do it. That is how you can check all the passwords of the Roblox account on the mobile app. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.